What is good to YouTube? Girl Bri is here. We're back with another video. If it is your first time here, welcome to the family. If you are returning because you have been watching the videos, you've been gaining knowledge and understanding, you're a real one. You know that. In this video today, we're going to be talking about lip balm launches. So working in cosmetics, you see all the different brands, and somehow every brand ends up like launching very similar products. So I felt like early this year, it was the launch of the lip balms. Numerous amounts of brands that launch new lip balms, lip masks, lip butters, lip creams, like the whole nine. So if you couldn't tell from the title, we are going to be reviewing new lip balm launches from Hooda Beauty, Fresh, Summer Fridays, and Glow Recipe. Some of these, most of these I bought. The only one I didn't buy was Glow Recipe. It was sent to me, but I've been using them now for about a couple weeks. I've got some thoughts and reviews on them, and we're gonna do a little try on so you can see how they look on my skin complexion. My lips have a natural like pink on the bottom, darker on the top, so if you are close to my skin complexion, this will be very helpful for you. But even if you're not and you just want to see how they lay, what I think of these lip balms, and are they actually hydrating, don't click away, just stay, don't click away. Okay, so the first one that we're going to be talking about is Summer Fridays. Lip Butter Balm is a vegan lip mask. Goes in line with their normal packaging of kind of like that metal tin, harder outer shell. It's actually sold out right now, so if you guys are interested, you better put yourself on that email list. So this one was $22. It's a lip butter balm. They're saying that you can use this as a lip mask for overnight. You can use this during the day. Of course, you know all their products are paraben free, vegan, cruelty free, no synthetic fragrances or anything like that. The key ingredients to this is shea and marumaru seed butters, vegan waxes, and it has a natural vanilla flavor. This is packed with ultra hydrating seed butters. It's really meant for you to lock in hydration and help with dry or cracked lips. So this has no color. You do smell that vanilla scent, and I'm a vanilla girl, so I don't feel that it's overbearing or anything like that. It is on the thicker side though. It is more of like a lip butter. When you think of body butters, they are more thicker than like a lotion. If you're not a fan of thick textures on your lips, you might not like this one. A lot of people are concerned, is it too sticky? Will it get stuck in my hair? I don't really care about that. I'm not really whipping my hair back and forth. It does have a really, really nice natural shine, as you can see. And I've been using this every single night. Was it worth my $22? Yes, I enjoy it so much. My lips don't feel dry in the morning. It really does hydrate and lock in moisture. So for $22, I'm down with it. I would definitely repurchase this one for sure. Did I mention it's vegan? It's vegan. A lot of people care about that. Next one that we are going to talk about is the new Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. The packaging is so cute. It's got a really, really soft texture. Much lighter than the Summer Fridays. Like, this is a soft lip cream. It's a deeply hydrating rose lip balm that conditions and relieves dry lips for a smooth, petal soft pout. And the application glides on much easier. It's not as thick as the Summer Fridays. Also doesn't have as much shine as the Summer Fridays. So if you like your lip balm to give you a little bit more of like a glossy, buttery shine, this is not that. This is much more sheer, hydrates the lips. It does have a strong rose scent. So that is the main thing that sometimes I am hesitant to pick this up, because I will smell this like 10 minutes later, 30 minutes later. if you drink anything, this leaves residue on your mug or your water bottle, and then you start to taste that rose scent. And that is not, I don't like that. Like, I picked up a water bottle the other day, drank it, and I was like, what is wrong with this water? And I could just taste and smell the rose scent. So be aware of that. If you don't have a problem with rose, then you'll like this a lot. But if you don't like to taste your lip balm, or if you don't like it to leave a residue or smell, like, it's a strong scent. So I will tell you that. It has rose flower oil, vitamin E, and grapeseed oil. This one is $24. You get 0.35 ounces, and you get a ½ ounce in the Summer Fridays. So that's interesting that you actually get more in the Summer Fridays, because this jar makes you feel like you're getting a lot of product, but it's only 0.35 ounces. So would I buy it again? Probably not. I would probably use one of Fresh's original lip balms. They have so many lip care products, so I'd probably use one that didn't have the rose scent in it. It's nice, it's lightweight, it gets the job done, and if you are a rose girl, you will really, really like this. Next one we are talking about is the Glow Recipe. This I did receive, it was gifted to me. This sets itself apart from the prior two that we just talked about, and I will tell you why. This is not your average lip balm. It's not. Even before even reading what this was about, you know, I'm like, ooh, new products, open it up, I'm popping it open. You can see, like, I've already really, really gone through this one a lot. I'm packaging it like a lipstick, which is cute. This one is $22. It's an all-in-one. It's a scrub to balm lip product. Who knew they even created things like this? Who knew it existed? I didn't. I'm telling you about it right now. So this is a scrub to balm formula. It exfoliates, hydrates, and then deposits a pop of pink color. As you're putting this on, you're going to feel little, like, exfoliating beads. And I was putting it on and I was like, is this a balm or is this a scrub? But then as you start to moisturize it into your lips, the beads go away. What they create is amazing, like, in their labs. It does have that watermelon smell, which I like. I can eat this. I eat watermelon every day, so I don't mind that. If you don't like watermelon smell, this might not be the one for you. But as you see, as you wear it more, such a pretty pink tone on the lip, and it's natural. Sometimes lip balms put that pink on and it's not a natural pink. This just gives, like, maybe I ate watermelon, or maybe I had some cherries, or like something naturally red that gives me, like, just that bitten kind of pink look. Now, one thing I did see is that because I liked it and I went through it very, very quickly, this product, you're only getting 0.1 fluid ounce. So for me, $22 for 0.1 ounce of product, this might be a quarterly kind of lip balm. This wouldn't be my day-to-day, because the minute I go through this, and how I like to wear lip balm is to have lip balm on my lips every single second of the day. Like, I cannot do the cracked lips. I don't get it. I don't know how people don't feel it. Put some chapstick on. For the amount of times that I reapply my lip balm, this wouldn't be it for me, because I would go through it so quick, and it's $22. Whereas the Summer Fridays is $22 and you're getting a ½ an ounce. So these are the type of things that, like, yeah, okay, it's a lip balm. Are we really going that deep into it? Yeah, we are. Because if you're here, you like product, and you want product that's gonna be worth your money and is gonna perform the way you want it. It has watermelon extract, watermelon seed oil, coconut flower sugar, and flower-derived AHAs. And AHAs are alpha hydroxy acids, which are going to exfoliate. And then the coconut flower sugar is also, I'm guessing, is what that gentle exfoliation to balm, like scrub to balm feel, because you can't feel the beads anymore. I mean, it is kind of like a 2-in-1 product where it gets you exfoliate and you get the hydration. I would want more product. Me, $22, please give me more product. I don't want to spend $22 every month, because that's how quick I would go through this. Like, if I didn't have all the other ones, this would be gone already. But I like the color, I like the feel. You see that natural pink pop is so pretty. So it's very flattering on not only my skin tone, but I think it would be very flattering on lighter and deeper skin tones. I am very fond of it. I like it a lot. But that 0.1 ounce, I don't know if I could, I would probably repurchase this. Like, or this is a cute gift. But would this be my everyday lip balm? Unfortunately, I don't think so. Okay, and the last one we are gonna be talking about is the Hooda Beauty Diamond Balm. Huda just always, like the packaging, the aesthetic of the product, it just is so nice. So this is what this looks like. I got this in the shade Seductress. That just diamond balm glow on there. Most of the reason why I bought this is because it was sparkly and shiny and the packaging was great. But let's get into what's in here and how this works. $25, so same price. Oh no, this is the most expensive lip balm right now, and you get 0.09. So this is the most expensive, but you get the least amount of product. Huda, okay, $25 for 0.09. Okay. Wow, let's move on. So this comes in 6 shades. It's a sheer buttery balm that hydrates and soothes while enhancing lips. It has mango butter, coconut oil, fatty acids to hydrate and nourish for soft, supple, pillow-like lips. It's really pretty, like pink, peachy nude, very subtle lip color. This is probably the lightest out of all of them in the formula. It's very lightweight, it's very sheer, and it's got a little bit of that iridescent. Now what Huda did, because we have to talk about what Huda did, Huda took a little bit of liner with this shade and popped it on just to define the lips, because what I do see is, because it's like a peachy nude, it can wash me out. Like, I like it, I would wear it by itself. But I'm just gonna take a little KKW. Yeah, and it just adds a little bit more definition to the lips. Yeah, so it's really, this probably mimics more in color of like a lipstick balm, nude kind of consistency, because it didn't necessarily give me like a pink color like the Glow Recipe, but it kind of canceled out my natural kind of lip color and just gave me a nice, really pretty nude. So I do like this. This would be one that I would probably just keep in my purse if I just want to touch up what's already on my lips or I don't want to put a lot on. But the fact that you only get 0.09 ounces of product for $25, would I buy it again? I don't know. I don't know if I would buy it. I wouldn't buy it as my lip balm. It would just be a lip product. Like this, I'm not gonna use every day. This, I'm gonna use every day. It's just more my speed. I like the thickness of it, the consistency. I like the vanilla smell too. So for me, Summer Fridays is hands down my favorite out of all the 4. And then the next one I would use would be the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. That's a long name. And then probably Huda, and then probably Fresh last, only because of that scent. Like that rose scent, it's a lot. It's a lot. That's it. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this, as you are making your lip balm purchases, there are so many other ones that I did not review, but these are the ones that I just really wanted to try and delve into and use them for a little while. And I like them. You know, my purchases, I don't regret my purchases. I don't regret my purchases. And I would purchase some of these again, but I hope that this helped you. And when you decide to make your own purchases, and hey, nothing's wrong with a little bit of Aquaphor, coconut oil, Vaseline on the lips. All these things are up to you. But if you want something that has a little bit more benefits, that's vegan, that's cruelty-free, some of these brands you'll probably really like and enjoy. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what lip balms you are using. Peace out, Cub Scouts, and thank you guys for watching.
we won't have to cry.